When working remotely, accessing people is more difficult. Lots of meeting requests, and it becomes harder to stick to deadlines. Leading from a distance is challenging. For your team, it isn't easy either. How can you see their hard work? Can they actually see my hard work? At the office, you just had to look around to check whether your colleague was available. How to stay close even when working remotely? You don't have to be at the same place to be close by. Mokaly features an office map view, and the physical distance becomes a mere detail. Had a great idea? Need help? See who's available, or find out the best moment to call your peers. With a single click, you can talk to one or multiple colleagues. If necessary, just call a meeting with your whole team. Create and customize working spaces according to your company culture. Therefore, moving around your digital office or letting your colleagues know your status becomes simple and fast. You realized an interesting meeting is happening? Feel free to join or knock on the door if the room is locked. You want privacy? Create and use temporary rooms. Clients and suppliers are also welcome. Just send them the link. They don't need to download any software. Easily share your screen and collaborate as if you were together. Each room can be personalized with quick access to calendars, documents, whiteboard, or any other tools you need. Everything is always organized and in the right place. Mokaly's chat offers all features from the most popular chatting apps. Very intuitive. Share images, files, as well as send audio and video messages to a group or individuals. Mokaly motivates your team in an informal way using techniques which foster collaboration. Track your team's engagement with analytics tools. Let's Mokaly. Work together, anywhere.